amathathu okuzama ukubulala. Umweli Masilela uyasibikela.
Emaphoyisa asempumalanga akholelwa ukuthi sekababambe bonke bantu bebafuneka mayelana nesehlakalo sekudubula kuphindze kubulawe bantu endzaweni yasePienaar. Umsolwa wekucala waboshwa ngeLisondvo kwathi wesibili waboshwa ngalesibili. Kanti-ke laba kusolelwa ukuthi ngibo labadubula abantu labasiphohlongo kwalimala labanye ethaveni lesendzaweni yasePienaar ngaphandle kwaseMbombela.
Our point on the first interview, we indicated that there were two people who came in that premises, and those are the two people who shot everybody in a polo, the grey polo and the green polo, whereby we end up having 6 people killed in one spot and others injured, taken to hospital, and 2 lost their life. In total was 8. So this is actually what is happening now, that we are having 2 that has been arrested. The second suspect was arrested yesterday, and he was arrested with 3 firearms in his possession.
Mkhwanazi uthi kute kube manje isaphenywa imbangela yalesehlakalo. Kanti-ke umphathiswa welitiko letekuphepha eMpumalanga Jackie Masiye ugcizelele ukuthi batawufakaliso leli bukhali kule ndzawo yasePienaar.
At a particular time, we identify Pienaar as a hotspot. We were a bit excited because we just emerged from the festive season. When we checked during the festive season, we recorded no incident on that regard up until we have that shooting on the 11th of January.
Masiye uphindze waveta ukuthi kungahle kube nekushinjwa kwebuholi kule steshi semaphoyisa ePienaar. Etindzabeni tethu ku Channel 163 lotilethelwa iNewsroom Africa, ngingumweli Masilela eMbombela eMpumalanga.